907 is circling 7 left.
We're going to 907, runway 7 left, set for the up.
Runway 7 left, clear for the option, upgrade 907.
Jetties 133, that's the November 304, kind of ground.
That's the November 3, switching ground, Jetties 133.
Jetties 170, caution with turbulence, Embraer jet departed more than 3 minutes ago, runway 7 left at November 6, fly runway heading, set for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 left at November 6, and runway heading, Jetties 170.
Charlie 2, ready to taxi.
Okay, it's 142, 7 left, November 6, via choice to November.
Charlie 2, November 6, 7 left and November 6, ready to 142.
Ground Riddle 187 is holding short of Romeo 1, ready to taxi.
Riddle 187, day center ground, runway 7 right, taxi via November Echo Sierra. Hold short, runway 7 left, tower frequency will be 11811.
Riddle 187, taxi to 7 right via November Echo Sierra, hold short of 7 left, and we're on 18-1. Staging, stage 6 for shelter taxi.
City State Fair 4 day center ground, good day, Alpha run up via Whiskey Alpha.
Whiskey Alpha, it's at Alpha, middle point, thanks.
Ground, Jetties 133, off 7 left at November 3, back to shelter.
City 133, day center ground via November Whiskey.
November Whiskey, Jetties 133.